Microsoft PowerPoint. Student will be able to apply different background to the slides, insert audio and video files, animate text and objects on the slide, apply slide transition, start a slideshow. Slide background. By default, all slides in your presentation use a white background. It is easy to change the background style for some or all of your slides. Backgrounds can have a solid, gradient, pattern or picture fill. Select the Design tab and click the Format Background command. The Format Background pane will appear on the right. Select the desired fill options. In our example, we will use a solid fill with a light gold color. The background style of the selected slide will update. If desired, you can click Apply to All to apply the same background style to all slides in your presentation. Animating presentations. What is animation? Animation is a visual effect applied to individual items on the slide, such as graphics, titles, or bullet points. Animating text and objects. Animation is a great way to focus on important points, to control the flow of information, and to increase viewer interest in your presentation. You can apply animation effects to text or objects on individual slides, to text and objects on the slide master, or to place holders on custom slide layouts. There are 4 different kinds of animation effects in PowerPoint 2016. Entrance effects. For example, you can make an object fade gradually into focus, fly onto the slide from an edge, or bounce into view. Exit effects. These effects include making an object fly off of the slide, disappear from view, or spiral off of the slide. Emphasis effects. Examples of these effects include making an object shrink or grow in size, change color, or spin on its center. Motion paths. You can use these effects to make an object move up or down, left or right, or in a star or circular pattern. Add animation to an object. Steps to add an animation effect to an object. Select the object that you want to animate. On the Animations tab, in the Animation group, click the More button and then select the animation effect that you want. Apply multiple animation effects to a single object. To apply multiple animations onto the same object, select the text or object that you want to add multiple animations. On the Animations tab, in the Advanced Animation group, click Add Animation. View animation effects. On the Animations tab in the Preview group, click Preview. Slide transition. Slide transitions are motion effects that occur in slideshow view when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. You can control the speed, add sound, and even customize the properties of transition effects. Add a transition to a slide. Select the slide thumbnail of the slide that you want to apply a transition to. On the Transitions tab, in the Transition to this slide group, click the slide transition effect that you want for that slide. To see more transition effects, click the More button. To apply the same slide transition to all the slides in your presentation, follow steps 2 through 4 above, and then on the Transitions tab, in the Timing group, click Apply to All. Set the timing for a transition. To set the duration of the transition between the previous slide and the current slide, on the Transitions tab, in the Timing group, in the Duration box, type or select the speed that you want. To specify how long before the current slide advances to the next slide, use one of the following procedures. To advance the slide when you click the mouse, on the Transitions tab, in the Timing group, select the On Mouse Click checkbox. To advance the slide after a specified time, on the Transitions tab, in the Timing group, in the After box, enter the number of seconds that you want. Add sound to slide transitions. Select slide thumbnail of the slide that you want to add a sound to. On the Transitions tab, in the Timing group, click the arrow next to Sound. To add a sound from the list, select the sound that you want. Add an audio clip. To prevent playback issues, you can embed your audio clips in your presentation. Click the slide to which you want to add an audio clip. On the Insert tab, in the Media group, click Audio. Locate the folder that contains the file and then double-click the file that you want to add. Set the playback options for an audio clip. On the slide, select the audio clip icon. Under Audio Tools, on the Playback tab, in the Audio Options group, do one of the following. To start the audio clip automatically when you show the slide, in the Start list, click Automatically. To manually start the audio clip when you click it on the slide, in the Start list, click On Click. To play an audio clip as you click through the slides in your presentation, in the Start list, click Play Across Slides. To play an audio clip continuously until you stop it, select the Loop Until Stopped checkbox. When you loop a sound, it plays continuously until you advance to the next slide. Inserting video clips. You can embed a video from your PC directly into your presentation or put in a link to a video on your PC. Insert a video stored on your PC. In Normal View, click the slide that you want the video to be in. On the Insert tab, click the arrow under Video and then click Video on my PC. In the Insert Video box, click the video that you want and then click Insert. Remove a transition. On the Slides tab in Normal View, click the thumbnail of the slide that you want to remove the transition from. On the Transitions tab, in the Transition to this slide group, click None. Note: to remove the slide transitions from all the slides in your presentation, repeat steps 2 through 3 above and then on the Transitions tab, in the Timing group, click Apply to All. Keywords: background, movies and sounds, animation, slide transition, slideshow,